Sam. So today I have partnered up with FabFitFun to share some summer essentials that I customized into my box for the summer season. If you are an annual member, you are able to customize your entire box. So that is what I did. And I picked some really good products that are gonna be just awesome summer must-haves that will take you to the beach and the pool and vacay and all the good things that you wanna do this summer. But they're just some really good like summer must-haves. So I'm gonna be sharing them with you guys today. I do have a coupon code. It's going to save you guys $10 off your box, and my code is SAM10, which I will put right here for you guys. Also include the coupon code in the description box, as well as the link to go and sign up for FabFitFun if you guys haven't already. I have a ton of FabFitFun unboxings, so I will link a little playlist of those down below in the description box as well. So if you are new to my channel and you haven't seen any of my FabFitFun unboxings in the past, you guys can go and check those out. But it's basically my most favorite subscription box. It comes seasonally, so spring, summer, fall, winter. This box that I'm opening is the summer box, and it's basically lifestyle, beauty, fashion. It's available in the UK, Canada, and the US. It has a lot of female founded companies, which I really love. They partner up each season with a charity. So this season is Make-A-Wish Foundation, and basically you just get some really awesome products that are just so fabulous, and they always have flash sales. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. And they have changed out their boxes. I know I've mentioned this numerous times, but they're kind of more eco-friendly now. So this is what the summer box looks like this season. So it's very bright, colorful. I always save all my boxes because they're super great for storage, and then you can just stack them up on the top of your closet shelf. So they're super amazing for, I store a lot of my hair products or like scarves for when it's winter time. It's a really great little storage. They did give me a HelloFresh coupon code. I actually get HelloFresh already, so I will let you guys use that. So I think it's gonna be only one person, so whoever gets it first can use it. Be my guest. As you know, we live in Tahoe once again, which I'm so happy about because this will be our first summer back in Tahoe, and it's my favorite time of the year here. I just absolutely love the summer here. It's not humid, it's not too hot, the beach is perfection. I will be out there. I've already like tried to get as many beach days in as I possibly can. If it's warm, if it's above 55, I'm at the beach. So this is the first thing, and this is from Somersault. I think they had two different colors. I think one was pink and one was green. I decided to go with like a nice foresty green color. This is a really great little beach bag, and it does have a little like zipper pouch in here, like a little mesh pouch, which is quite good. So that's the first thing that I think would be really great. It's actually a really good size as well, like, and it does have like a little, you know, little clasp right there, but you can fit like your towel and all your sunscreen and magazines or whatever it is that you bring to the beach. So the next thing I've actually been testing out, you guys. This is an absolute must-have. If you can customize your box, you need to get this. It is absolutely amazing. It's a fruit butter lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals. This is what the box looks like. It is like seriously the best lip balm. I've been wearing it a ton. So that's the actual packaging. This is quite simple. So to be honest, when I first got it, I was like, oh, okay, it's just gonna be like a regular lip balm. I tried it out and I was like, oh my gosh, my lips look so beautiful. Hold on, I haven't put it on yet. So let me just touch up my lipstick, and then we'll put it on, and you guys can see how lush. Okay, so that's my before. So, you know, a little bit of a sheen, but nothing major. It comes out like this kind of creamy pink color. And I think it smells like vanilla. Just wait. I just feel like I need to get even closer to you. Okay, I got a little bit much. Look how glossy and delicious my lips look like right now. So obviously I got way too much. I got a little excited there, but I've been wearing this at night. I keep it in my purse. I put it on in the morning. I just dropped all my bags. It is seriously such a nice texture. It's not sticky at all. It looks, I mean, look at my lips. They look so glossy and beautiful and amazing. It's just so delightful. Like, I just absolutely love it. And then I love that it comes in like a little tube, so it's quite easy to, like, you know, I love the lip balms in the pot, but then you gotta dig your finger in. When you have long fingernails, it's kind of a pain in the bum. So I absolutely love the fact that with this you can just squeeze it out, and then it makes your lips look so glossy and amazing. So that's my number one recommendation from the box. It is a must-have for summer. It is cruelty-free and vegan, and it says it's an intensive overnight lip mask that envelopes the lips with shea butter and apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity while you sleep. The vegan formula gently melts onto skin, rescuing it from early signs of fine lines, imparting a rich, dewy finish. I mean, can we just take a moment for this lip? It is so perfect. So if you get the annual membership, you are able to customize, and you can get all of the things that I'm showing you guys here. And this came in the customization 6. So it was like a little pack that you could choose. So it was with this, and then it also came with this adorable little, it's called the Blush Pineapple shaped ice mold. How cute is that for the summertime? For making like cute little pineapple ice cubes. I just think it's so adorable. I feel like the kids are gonna have so much fun with this. So this came as like a little combo, and then it also came with this little lemon, it's a citrus squeezer, and it's dishwasher safe, BPA free, safe for food use. But if you're like into making your own lemonade, or just like squeezing orange, you know, to make, I don't know, something yummy, an orange glaze for a cake, or who knows what. I know the kids will be using this a ton for lemonade. Lily loves to make lemonade. So it's really cool, and it feels very sturdy actually. So this was a little combo. So I'm so glad I picked this little combo, because there's a couple of different ones. You can get like the lip mask, the ice tray, and then a pedicure file, or you can get the ice tray, a pedicure file, and a body wash sponge, or you can get this, and then a shadow stick and a makeup swab. This to me is the perfect little combo though, because you get the mask. Well, actually, the foot file would have been good as well, but I already have one. But this is in the combo, so you have to get it as the combo. But it is seriously, oh, so good. And like, how cute are those? Everything is all green. It matches my bag so well. So the bag was a customization 1. You could have chosen, sorry, I didn't tell you about this. So you could either choose the green one or the pink one, a hair wrap, a PMD, a Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, an outdoor blanket from Society 6. That's actually really cute. The Society 6 wine chiller, or the L Space tie-dye towel. I decided to choose this just because it's just a nice little, like, it's just a good beach bag, isn't it? That was customization number 1. Customization number 2 was you could either pick the Obey hip bands and a 2-month membership, an Obey resistance hip bands, and the trigger point ball. You could get this Millie jewelry case, which is what I chose. You could get the Way detox shampoo and scalp massager, or you could get the Draper Jane's ruffle nightie. I chose this because I feel like this is perfect for traveling, and this is just so cute. It's by, did I just do it upside down? I don't know. It's by Millie James. Oh yeah, I did do it upside down. Hold on. This is such a good little jewelry case for when you're traveling, if you're going on a little vacay. We have actually booked a little weekend getaway with the kids, with my friend Cassie, and I'm super excited. So this will definitely be coming with me on my little trip there. And it's so cute. It has your little ring holders. It's got 5 little pockets where you can put your earrings or necklaces or whatever. Then you've got a tiny little mirror up top. This opens up, and then you've got a little pocket here for watches or bracelets or whatever. So everything is protected, and it's the perfect size because I have one that I keep at home, but I don't want to take it with me because it's just a little bit too big. I'm not bringing that much jewelry. I feel like this is the perfect size, and it's really cute. It's like that really pretty kind of sage greeny blue color. It's like a little zebra print. It's very cute, and it's padded and protected. So great for if you're going to be booking some travels for the summer. And that was customization number 2. Sorry, there was more. There was a Bluetooth speaker from Sonics, a Ray Done by Magenta salsa and guac bowls, a Tarte hydrating boost moisturizer, or the Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag. I have that cooler bag. It's really, really good. I got it in a FabFitFun box. Customization number 3, some glasses. What have I done with them? Here we go. So this is what I chose for customization number 3. There's 8 options in customization number 3. You can get a wine tumbler, you can get a sunscreen, you can get a dry shampoo from Living Proof, you can get the AG hair curl activator, a poolside water resistant pouch, a Bubble Bar build your own bracelet kit, Melanin Gets Vitamin E Face Moisturizer, or the Nectar Blue Light Blocking Glasses. These are in round eye brown tortoise, and these are so cute. I just love blue light glasses. I like have an obsession. I think they're just so much fun, and they do actually help your eyes. But aren't those cute? Oh, I feel like such a little secretary right now. I just think there's, here, the lighting is not showing it very well, but these are really cute. They're very comfortable. They stay on the face really nicely. The kids use my blue light glasses when they're doing at-home learning, because they're on the computer, you know, for a long time. So they ended up taking mine, so I figured I'd get myself some new ones, and these ones are so cute. I feel soups adorbs. And what I like is that it also comes with a little baggie as well, so that you can keep them safe. So I've just got these here that I can keep in my room when I do all my editing and stuff, emails, all that kind of good stuff. So that was customization number 3. Customization number 4. What did I choose? I chose this. So there was 4 different options in this customization. You could either have gotten a vitamin C facial serum, a watermelon dewy setting spray. I actually have that one, it is nice. The African Botanics Shimmering Gold Oil, or the TF Publishing Brain Teasers and Activity Book Bundle, which would be really fun to take to the beach if you're like not looking, you know, if you don't want to like sit on your phone. But I chose this because I have an obsession with sparkles, and I also have an obsession with body oils. So that is what this one looks like. This smells like caramel. So there it is on my hand, if you guys can see that. So you can see it's quite, oh, it's so silky. It's not a sticky oil. It just goes into the skin really, really nicely. It smells amazing. It's not like some of the oils you can use, they're really sticky and they kind of like feel thick. This feels like it's gonna dry down quite quickly, but still give you a good glow. I'm trying to see if I can see the sparkles. The sparkles are very subtle, so you're not gonna look like a walking like Christmas ornament. They're super duper subtle, just a really tiny little bit of a glow, but it smells really good. So this is really great if you are going to, you know, a nice dinner and you're wearing something that shows off a little bit more skin. This kind of stuff is beautiful on your legs because it really makes your shins like pop with a glow, or on your décolleté, your shoulders. So I love these type of oils that have a little bit of shimmer because it really does make your skin look really beautiful, especially when you have a tan. It just makes you look like, watch out, Jennifer Lopez. It's so beautiful. Question number 3, please. Okay, customization number 5. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options. I chose the Mind Tan Body Skin Moisturizing Recovery After Sun Gel. So this is what this looks like. And it is, I've already tried it out. It's super watery. So at first I went to squeeze it and it literally went everywhere. So be very careful if you do choose this. But I'm like, who doesn't need an aloe vera gel in the summertime? You always need aloe vera in the summer after you've been out on the beach or the pool or wherever it is that you're going. So I'm gonna be very careful with this because I don't want it to squirt all over like it did before. But whoop! Okay, did you see that? It is wet. It's like full on aloe vera juice that comes out of the plant. So it's, let me see. Oh, it smells nice. It's actually very fresh smelling. Feels very watery. So it's not like a sticky, like thick gel. It literally feels like you're just, I've just put oil on that one, haven't I? It just feels like you're putting the actual aloe vera juice from the plant on you, because aloe vera juice is very like watery feeling. So I love the fact that it does feel like that, because it feels like it's like really just, it just absorbs into the skin really quickly. It's easy to put on. It's not thick. It's not sticky. Smells really fresh. There are also a few others. You could have got the Selfie Ring Light from Soar. The Apare cutting boards. I have those. It's a set of 4. They're awesome. I use them every time I cook. The To The Market Melamine printed tray. It's got like a bunch of lemons on it. The Flight Mode High Altitude Hydration Mask. A Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser. Or the Mented Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick. So I chose this just because I just feel it's the most summer appropriate and I know I will use it. And then last but not least was this. I'm wondering if this was a freebie, because I'm not seeing a customization anywhere for it. It's not on my list of things to get. So this might have just been like a little bonus. I've actually seen my sister talk about this on Instagram before. These are the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier Electrolyte Drink Mix. It's got lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. They're vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, made in USA, non-GMO. I'm gonna just go get my water and then we'll try one out, because my sister actually said that she really likes these. And like, I do not drink enough water. I'm terrible. They do give you a little coupon code as well if you want to order more. So they just look like this. So they're great to just keep in your beach bag. And then you can just take them to the pool or to the beach, or, you know, wherever it is that you're going on a hike or mountain bike ride or whatever. And then you can just put them in your water bottle. So I think I'm going to try, maybe I'll try the lemon lime. So I'll save the strawberry and watermelon. I'll put them. Is there anything else in here? Oh, I got 2 coupons. Winning. Okay. I'm gonna keep the other ones in my beach bag. Let me just go get a water bottle and then I'll go fill this up and we'll see if it's yum. Okay, I've got my ice and my water and I put my lemon and lime. Whoa! Wow, I was not expecting it to taste that strong. It tastes like straight up lemonade. Yeah, that's good. Tastes exactly like lemonade. Gets you right in the back. I feel like I could have even put more water in here because I didn't put enough water, I don't think. It's just a little bit strong. It's a little bit strong. This probably would be better if I had more water. Like, I could put this in my big, huge, big bottle, and it would not be as strong because it tastes a little bit more like lemonade, and I was hoping it would taste more like water with a slight hint of lemon lime, but it does taste really yummy. Like, it just tastes like straight up lemonade. So that's really good. It's supposed to give you like major hydration, from what I remember my sister saying. Let me just read. 2 to 3 times more hydration than water alone. It's got 3 times the electrolytes, 5 essential vitamins, B3, B5, B6, B12, vitamin C, and it's got great taste. So I'm excited to try the other flavors as well. It's really yum. I just need to just put a little bit more water in there because it's pretty strong, stronger than I was expecting. So there you guys go. Those are my summer must-haves from my FabFitFun box. Again, if you are an annual member, you are able to customize the entire box. If you are I think, hold on one sec, there's somewhere that told me here. So if you are a seasonal member, you have one additional option to choose from. So it really does pay off to just do the annual membership, because then you can customize your entire box every single season. And basically it's just a super awesome value for what you get in the box versus what you pay. It is an amazing value. You get so many great products, and it's really nice because it gives you options of like trying stuff out that you would never normally try out. Like, for example, this, where did I put my lip mask? I'm like, did I lose it? This is my new favorite lip mask. It is so unbelievably amazing. I absolutely love it. I would never even have heard of Seraphine Botanicals. Like, I've never heard of that brand in my life. And now I like cannot stop wearing it. I've been wearing it every single day. So highly recommend FabFitFun if you guys haven't tried it before. You just get so many amazing products in a box. It comes delivered right to your door each season, and it's a really awesome deal. So highly recommend. Don't forget to use that coupon code, you guys. It is SAM10. That's gonna save you $10 off your box. And then you guys can have some really awesome fun things as well. I think the items that I'm the most excited for are well, definitely the lip balm. This one's my favorite for sure. Super excited about this because I love body oils. I apply a body oil every single morning unless I'm doing my gradual tanner. Then I don't, but it's like usually every other morning, and then every single night before I go to bed I slather myself in oil. And then I'm also really excited about this because I mean, I love how watery it is. Like, that's really awesome. It says you can use this on your face as well, so that's really nice. I love the fact that it's not sticky. And then I also just love this little makeup case or jewelry case. I think it's just so cute. It's the perfect size. I'm very excited to pack this with me on my little trip. And also, who doesn't love a good pineapple ice cube? I mean, how adorable is that? Make yourself a cute little thing of lemonade with your pineapple ice cubes. That's adorable. I love it. So there you guys go. Huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this season. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Mwah!